Good morning, students. So, microprocessor. Next part is 8086 addressing modes. The 8086 consists of the following addressings: immediate addressing mode, direct addressing mode, register addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode, indexed addressing mode, register relative addressing mode, base plus index addressing mode, base relative plus index addressing mode. So there are 8 different addressing modes which supports the 8086. Let us see one by one. First one is immediate addressing mode. So immediate address. Immediate data is the part of the instruction and appears in the form of the successive bytes. Okay. Its syntax is move AX, then the data. Okay. Here AX is the 16-bit register. Second is direct addressing mode. In this addressing mode, a 16-bit memory address is directly specified in the instruction as a part of it. Okay. So example is move AX 5000 Hz hexadecimal. So this is the address. 5000 is the address. So it is given within third one is register addressing mode. So in this mode, the data is stored in the register. It may be a 8-bit or 16-bit registers. We use all the registers except the instruction pointer. This is the opcode move AL BL. So here it is a 8-bit registers. Move AX BX, a 16-bit registers. Then register indirect addressing mode. The address of the memory location which contains the data or the operand is determined in a indirect mode using the offset register. So its syntax is move AX then VX. So indirect address. This is the address in the register. Address in the register. Then Next one is a indexed addressing mode. So in this mode, the offset of the operand is stored in the one of the index register. The data segment is the default segment for index register, source index, and the destination index. Its syntax is move AXSI. So this is the address of the source index. Next one is a register relative addressing mode. So in this mode, the data is available in effective address formed by the adding an 8-bit or 16-bit displacement with the content of any one of the register, a BX, BP, then source index and destination index in the default. Either it is a data segment or extra segment. So its syntax is move AX 50H, then BX. Here BX is the address. So the 50 and then the BX. The address is a 00 offset plus the BX contains the value 50 and the address is a 50. Therefore, 5050, which is the final index. So which contains the data value. Next one is a base plus indexed addressing mode. So in this mode, the effective address is formed by adding the content of the base register, that is BX or BP, to the content of an index register, resource index or destination index. The default segment register is a data segment. So its syntax is move AX, then the content of BX and SI. So this is the content of BX 1000 and the source index content is here 2000. So which is added. Therefore 10 plus 20 is here 30 and 0 plus 00 is here 00. Therefore this is the final address. That is 3000 is the final address. The last one is a base relative plus indexed addressing mode. Here, the effective address is formed by adding an 8 or 16-bit displacement with the sum of content of any one of the base registers, either BX or BP, and any one of the index register, that is SI or DI, in the default segment. So its syntax is move AX, then the value 50H, and then the content of BX register and the content of source index. So suppose that the content of BX register is a 1000, since it is a 16-bit, and the source index is a 2000. Then, so 20 plus 10, 30. So the 30, then plus this value 50. So this is the final index address.